Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from First Cry Parenting.
What is dancer hand breastfeeding? Dancer hand position is a breastfeeding technique for mothers of newborn babies. It is beneficial for those mothers whose kids are born prematurely or with conditions similar to Down syndrome. When and why should you use this position? This position can be used to have a great grip over the baby and give proper support to the mother's back while breastfeeding. Benefits of dancer hand position. It helps preterm babies by simplifying the feeding process. If the gagging reflex is weak in babies, the position can be used. Babies with improper feeding skills can get nourishment through the dancer's hand position. Babies with cleft lips will also be helped in feeding through this position. Disabled babies might not be able to suck the milk without help. This position can assist them. Down syndrome interrupts the general capacities of the baby. In such a situation, the dancer's hand position can be ideal for their proper feeding. How to use dancer hand position for breastfeeding. Put your hand under your breasts and support it with 3 fingers. Create a U shape using your thumb and forefinger to hold your baby's chin and press the cheeks of your baby from your thumb and forefinger. This way, your baby would be in a fine position to press onto your nipples and suck milk. For a better hold, keep your baby close to you in the same position. This will help in better nursing. Use the right breastfeeding technique according to your baby's needs and gift them a healthy and happy life.